Greetings, all you Lost River Cave nature lovers. I'm Katie Zielinski, Director of Development at Lost River Cave, and we have a short nature break to share with you today on the purple coneflower, because sometimes you just need a little bit of nature in your day, and we want to make that happen. I'm going to toss it over to Delaney Rockmore-Eaton, our Chief Naturalist and purple coneflower expert.
All right, thank you, Katie. I'm going to get this PowerPoint started here. Okay, so like you said, we're going to talk about the purple coneflower today, and as it's known by its scientific name, Echinacea purpurea. Now, the purple coneflower is a very popular pollinator plant. It is wonderful for bees and butterflies, produces an abundance of nectar, and does extremely well in pollinator gardens and in cultivation. Now, this plant can grow up to 4 feet tall, but it really depends on how crowded it is. It typically stays around the 2 feet range if it's in a garden setting. Now, they do prefer full sun since they are a prairie plant, but they can do well in partial shade as well. They can start blooming as early as May, but typically we're going to see them blooming from July to September. Now, our purple coneflower, its scientific name, the specific epithet, echinacea, refers to the Greek word for hedgehog, which is echainos. And I think you'll see why it's called that here. It's got those lovely little spines on the bloom head, just like a little hedgehog does. Now, the purpurea part, that actually refers to the purple color of the blooms on the petals. So it can be said that the ones in cultivation, they can actually have white, pink, or red colors of their petals as well. Beautiful plant. Now, the purple coneflower has a really, really rich history in ethnobotany, which is the use of plants for medicinal purposes typically, but they can also be used for craft purposes like fabric dye and that sort of thing. So our purple coneflower was first utilized by the Native Americans who lived on the plains of the United States. They primarily used it as a pain reliever and an anti-inflammatory to treat things such as toothaches, coughs, colds, sore throats, and a variety of other things as well, such as gastrointestinal problems, not only for themselves, but for horses too. Today, we primarily use it as an immune stimulant and in cough drops. Now, if you are going to start taking herbal remedies, though, I highly suggest that you talk to a medical practitioner first, since these plants can actually interfere with medication you're already taking, or it can cause an allergic reaction, which is kind of something you want to be prepared for. Now, I do have one last video for us, and it is of a Buckeye butterfly as it flits between different flowers on one plant. As you can see, it is a prolific bloomer, and it puts off blooms during the times that it is blooming quite prolifically. And there we go. And that is all I have for us today, Kate.
That's awesome. Thanks for sharing a little bit about the purple coneflower with us. So here's the thing. We're looking forward to doing some nature breaks throughout the year, and we want to know what you want to know. So tell us what flora, fauna, human history you're interested in, and we'll get the info and share it with you in a short little nature break, just like we have today with the coneflower. That's all. Hope you guys have a great day and take care. Bye.